Right, so you've got your 4 cords. I've got yellow, blue, orange, green. You can use whatever colour you like, but I am using 2.5 feet. Each length is 2.5 feet long. And also, I would recommend gutting your paracord. Now, if you don't know what gutting your paracord is, you get your piece of paracord and you take the insides out. Like that. Here we go. I always start on the left hand side. This one is yellow, so I go over the top like that. I get the other side of the yellow and bring it over the top like that. Do the same for the blue. Over the top, and the other side over the top. Now then, if you can see, I have got a yellow and a blue loop, a yellow and a blue loop. Okay, what I'm going to do is get the bottom green one, and I'm going to go over this flat yellow, through the loop, through the other loop, like this. I'm doing it. It's really big at the moment, so you can see what is going on, like that. And then with the other end of the green, I do exactly the same. I go over the blue, through the blue loop, over the yellow, and through the yellow loop. Like that. And kind of squish it up a bit. Like that. So that's your green done. Now the orange, the third pass, is a little bit different. What you need to do is have this orange one on top, where's my pointer, on top of this blue loop, this yellow loop and that blue loop. So what you do is you pick up these flat ends, pick it up and do that. Pick the other side up at the flat and go over the top like that. And then you put them down. I know it's a huge mess. It looks terrible. Don't worry, it will sort itself out any minute. Now I'll get the other orange and I'm just going to go back through this blue loop, over the yellow flat bit, and through that yellow loop, like that. See? It looks a mess, but it will sort itself out. See what I've done? There, does that make a little bit more sense? Like that. See? Now all I'm going to do is pull the ends together. So carefully and gently, I'm going to pull the green, pull the yellow, pull the orange, put it together. You can grab both ends if you like. Let's pull out a bit so you can see better, shall we? So all I'm doing is pulling slowly the ends together, and you will soon Right, I've got my split ring. I'm just doing it to make it easier. Got my split ring. And here we go again. Green one over the top. The other side over the top. As you can see, we've got 2 loops. The orange over the top. Make another loop there. So I've got 2 green loops, 2 orange loops, like that. Then all I do is grab the yellow, over the green, through the loop, over the orange, through the loop. Pull it up. The same with the other end of the yellow, over the flat orange, through the loop, over the flat green, through the loop. Bring it down and kind of move it over a bit, like that. Your third cord, the bottom, blue from the bottom, all you really need to do is lift these 2 flat ends up, orange and green up, put your blue cord on top, you see, on top of the loops like that, and pull it down, and then put your cords back down again, and then the blue, the last one, over the orange, through the loop, over the green, through the loop, and do it all again. Pull everything together. It looks a mess. In a little bit. Right, so when you get to however big you want your cube or rectangle, all you need to do, snip and singe. Oops, sorry. Oops. Earthquake. Oh dear. Keep knocking the light. But basically all I'm going to do is get my scissors and cut quite close to the side. And then singe away. I'm just going to melt, make sure it's all melted. And then if you got a smoothing tool, just rub it in. You can use your finger, but I like to use this tool because it gives a nice bird effect. And there you go. Do that all the way around and you're done. Right, so there you go. That is your Paracube keyring. It turned out quite well. Actually, it's probably one of the best that I've ever made. But there you go. Nice and easy to do. It takes a little while. It's quite fiddly. But there you go. So, YouTube wants you to watch this video here. I would like you to watch this playlist up there. Off you go, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.